everyone, welcome back to another video. If you feel lost and like you have no idea what to bring on your ski trip this year, then this video is for you. Not only will I be sharing with you my personal checklist on what I'm bringing to my ski trip in Aspen this year, but I'm also going to be walking you through some ways on how you can build really fashionable outfits so that you nail down that Apres ski outfit aesthetic look and feel to your wardrobe. So without further ado, let's grab our hot cocos and let's talk Apres ski style. If you are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Julianna. I've been a fashion stylist for over 8 years. I'm also a fashion designer, content creator. And so if you learned any tips or any things about style in this particular video, definitely feel free to give a like down below and check out my channel where I talk about all things style. This is truly one of my favorite topics to talk about. I always have loved talking about how to build women's wardrobes to make you feel more confident, more prepared to take on the world. And so let's get into first things first, what is on my checklist for my skiing trip? So après ski, for those of you who didn't know, is a French term that basically means post skiing or after ski. And it is a term that originated in the 1950s. And it basically refers to all the fun activities that you get to do after a long day out on the slopes of skiing, which basically entails drinking, partying, vibing to good music, and more. And with that also comes a après ski style, which thanks to Instagram, I became obsessed with the last couple of years. And 3 influencers that I highly suggest you all look up just for some inspiration and style, especially in outfit inspo, is Leonie Hahn, who's from Germany. She always does the most beautiful ski looks I've ever seen. I mean, it almost feels like an editorial, like a fantasy, the way she dresses. I also really love Paige Lorenz because she not only is a good skier or seems to be a good skier, but she kills it every time she wears a beautiful Goldberg suit. And then the third one I would look up for sure is Jasmine Tookes. Jasmine Tookes is a former Victoria's Secret model, and I just love her sense of style. It's super elegant, super classy. And again, if you need inspiration, I would definitely look her up as well. Okay, so first things first, let's talk about the checklist. What am I going to be packing and what I suggest you pack too? So the first thing that we need to focus on are base layers. What our base layers are going to be. And by that, I am talking about thermal leggings, dry fit crew necks, fleece lined crew necks, and more. Anything that's going to keep you warm, but also dry fit, I'm mentioning because when you're out on the slopes, for those of you who do sweat a lot, skiing is essentially a workout, and the wetness of your sweat is going to keep you cold inside of your suit. So we don't want that. We definitely want to pack dry fit layers as well, and things that are going to dry quite fast and not trap in our sweat. Another thing is thermal leggings or jumpsuits. I am packing 2 thermal jumpsuits because I've actually seen a lot of people pack a jumpsuit, and not only does it look super flattering, but it is a great foundational layer to put underneath anything that you're wearing. So underneath your ski suit, underneath a fur coat, underneath anything. And I bought this in black and white on Amazon. Another thing I really wanted to do for you guys, since skiing is not cheap and these things add up so quick, is to create an affordable list of accessories, items that you guys can refer back to and that you will see in the video as well. As I'm modeling and talking through some of these things are from that Amazon wish list. So definitely check it out. Link's going to be in the description box below. Okay, let's talk about the famous ski suit. So what ski suit should we buy when we're going skiing? Personally, since I am a novice skier, I am not advanced yet, I decided to go for a Zara ski suit that looks like the following because I can layer with different long sleeves underneath, and I think this will be perfect for my trip. I bought it at Zara probably a year ago. I'm really impressed from a design standpoint of the quality. The tag said that it was a Leco technology that was great for it being waterproof, durable, etc. The hardware seems to be pretty promising. Very pretty suit. The fit is spectacular. And so some other suits that I will definitely be looking into if you do want to browse through the range of the luxury designer ski suit world. Some brands that I highly recommend looking into that have some of the most gorgeous suits ever are Goldberg, Moncler, Cordova, Erin Snow, Perfect Moment, Jisoo Snow, and more. Some other brands that are more affordable and definitely focus more on the athletic and more functional part of skiing are Columbia, Patagonia, Under Armour, North Face, and I think those should be looked into as well, especially if you're even looking for the base layers for under your ski suit, as I said before. You also want to make sure to bring a puffer coat, classic. You need it to be waterproof so that it really protects you from the wetness of the snow. I decided to go with this one, and I also made it a point to get a shorter one. I already own a longer puffer coat, but to be honest, some of my other coats, just to keep it more fashionable and so I feel more stylish, are going to be long faux fur coats and or double-faced wool. So I decided to really go for the shorter option so that I have mobility in my hips and I can wear it on top of my ski suit. Okay, so obviously when it comes to ski accessories, the three top ones that are priority are really great ski goggles, socks, and ski gloves. So the ski gloves I decided to get on Amazon. They are waterproof, they are super durable. Ski socks I heard are incredibly important to invest in. So Smartwool actually has a version of some incredible ski socks that you can buy. Smartwool is a brand that I've always bought and has kept my feet pretty warm in the winters of New York when I used to live up there. But in general, as a rule of thumb, your ski socks should have a little bit extra cushion in your toes and on your shins so that they're comfortable to wear with your ski boots that are either rented or yours, etc., and will keep your toes warm. That was something that I was told by a friend was so important because you don't want your toes to freeze in the freezing winter cold. For my ski goggles, I wanted something really cute since it's one of the only things that you'll be able to see apart from my suit. So I decided to go for these Celine ones that you'll see. I just love these. I love the little studs. I've seen them for decades. I feel like they've been out on the market for like years, but I always thought that they looked really chic. I love the black and white look, the silver hardware. So these are the ones that I'm going for. But again, I'm going to link some from Amazon or from other places as well down below. I think it's really important to get good skiing goggles because you want to be able to see everything. And lastly, we have snow boots. So some brands that I definitely was browsing through when I was shopping snow boots are Sorel, Bogner, Moon Boots. Montclair also has boots as well. I decided to go for my Moon boots this year because I have always wanted to try them. They're actually super comfortable. They are super tricky to find your size. So I do suggest trying them on before you buy if you can, or ordering different sizes so that you really get your size down because they can sometimes be tricky in finding your size. But I like that they're super elevated and platform-like so that you're able to tread through the snow with these big platformy, cushiony boots. And another brand that I used to own as well, I unfortunately couldn't find from my duffel bags, but Sorel has great waterproof and stylish winter boots as well. Okay, so another really good tip that I got from a friend is to always spray your boots with like water protectant spray so that they're a little bit more durable. I got these brand new for my trip, and I also got a pair of Uggs, and I sprayed both, and I'm so impressed with how well they have done with like the snow and dirt and everything. So if you're looking for a nice water repellent spray to kind of spray and give your boots a good coat of durability, check out my Amazon link in the description box, and I will link my favorite spray that I used for these boots. So again, remember, this is about packing functionally, but also in order to create these looks where you can look stylish meets functional, I really suggest just focusing more on getting your essentials together, the things that you need first, like your ski goggles, etc. But then the more fun accessories are what's going to add interest. So that includes some fun earmuffs or some really cute headbands or Sherpa headbands by UGG, etc. Chanel earmuffs, Loewe scarves, scarves with texture, color, and also monochromatic looks from head to toe make for a really clean and sophisticated outfit on the slopes, I feel. So you don't have to follow these rules, but here are just some small ideas to end the video with. And I hope that this video gave you some inspiration. I hope you learned from maybe what I'm packing so that it helps you organize yourself in what you're packing. If you did, give a like down below, and don't forget to check out all of my links to my Apres ski favorite accessories from all of Amazon.com. So that'll all be linked down below just for you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy skiing. Bye.